welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be me showing you guys how I get my teeth nice and white despite always drinking Snapple, soda, and other things that are probably fucking up my teeth. So today, like I said, I'm going to show you guys how I whiten my teeth. It is a whole process. I do this every single Sunday. So I'm going to bring you guys on my little teeth routine. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get started. So I'm going to give a big thank you to hismile. They actually sent me all this stuff like maybe 2 or 3 months ago, and I have been using it ever since. So this is the hismile day and night toothpaste. I keep it in here because I broke the top one and I didn't want it to like go everywhere. So it actually tells you on the back of the tube what this toothpaste is doing. So it has a protective wax that's gonna like coat your teeth, so you know it'll prevent staining, which I need because I'm always drinking colored things. Like if you're somebody that drinks a lot of tea, a lot of coffee, soda, anything that's, you know, colored, it's going to damage your teeth. It also has aloe vera to control bacteria, 5 key minerals for your teeth, and fluoride free. The night toothpaste that I use has pretty much all the same stuff, except it also has charcoal in it. So this is a charcoal toothpaste, so it's gonna whiten your teeth. And it also says it has a bentonite clay natural detoxifier. So your girl will brush your teeth. I love brushing my teeth. Like, I don't know, that's why I say, like, I don't understand how some people are like, they get annoyed with it, like, oh, it's such an inconvenience. It takes you 2 minutes. I feel so fresh. Like, I just want to go in everybody's face, but I'm not gonna do that. So these are the 2 toothpastes that I use. I actually have a subscription to their toothpaste, so I get it every single month. I make sure that I am never running out of toothpaste. So now we're gonna move on to the ultimate bundle. So inside of there, you get the hismile teeth whitening kit. I'm sure you guys have seen me use it plenty of times if you follow me on Instagram. And then inside you also get their coconut whitening mouthwash. It comes with 5 little tubes of mouthwash, which is also super convenient for travel. And then you also get the teeth whitening pen, which is just a pen that you put on your teeth for about 30 minutes and then you wash it off and you whiten your teeth. That one I like to use if I'm like leaving in the morning and I don't have the time to just like sit there, because like I religiously like whiten my teeth these days, just because like I said, I drink a lot of tea and I drink a lot of juice. So inside of the teeth whitening kit, you get some syringes. You actually get 3 of them. I only have 1 2/4 left. You only need 1/4 worth of gel when you're whitening your teeth. So out of 1 syringe, you get about 4 sessions. And then you also get the mouth guard, and then you also get the blue light that actually, you know, activates everything. They do give you directions, and they also give you a card that you could like put against your teeth so you can see like what shade you like went from, but I lost that because I've been using this for a long time, so like that's long gone. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my syringe, and as you guys can see, I have 2/4 left of this stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some on here, and I just like to like spread it through. I kind of like gush it on there and just like spread it throughout. Make sure you do it evenly because you don't want to have spots on your teeth. Okay, so now that my tray is full of the gel, I'm gonna put this in my mouth, turn this light on, leave it for 10 minutes. I'm gonna rinse my mouth with warm water, and that's basically it. That's what I love about this system. It only takes 10 minutes. I've had my teeth whitened professionally, and I've had to sit there for like an hour. I have used like whitening strips, and you have to leave those on for like 25 to 30 minutes. So this is just so much more convenient for me personally. So the little light just beeped and it turned off, and we're done. When I have my teeth nice and white, my hair did, my skin on point, I am that bitch. So that is basically all that I do to whiten my teeth. What I really love about hismile, especially you guys, is the gel does not have a strong taste. All the time when I use different whitening products, it just tastes like nasty chemicals. So I just appreciate that that does not have a strong taste. I mean, you only have to use it for 10 minutes, but with other stuff in the past, it has just been treacherous. So that is it for this video. Make sure you guys go and check out the description if you're interested in trying out hismile and getting your teeth right. I have tried so many different kinds of whitening products, and I never talk about them on my channel for a reason, because I'm never happy. But I actually really like hismile, and it has actually made a huge difference to my teeth, especially like I said with all the stuff I've been drinking. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Whatever puts my heart at ease.